Use flamethrower Arcanine. Nice job, buddy. Oh, so you just have one Pokemon left. Well, then what are you waiting for? Let's settle this. Oh, so your last one is a rock type. Come back, Arcanine. You already did enough. Now is your turn. Go Victory Bell. Use Razor Leaf. Nice! It was a critical hit. Hang in there, Victory Bell. You can do it. Use Giga Drain. Now let's finish him. Solar Beam. Come on, dude. Charge it quicker. Nice one, Victory Bell. That was awesome. Well, now that I defeated all your team, you know what is going to happen, right? Not quite right. I didn't challenge you to get some money. I want to catch you. Victory Bell, use sleep powder. Sweet dreams, my love. Well. Look at who just decided to wake up. You were starting to scare me a little bit. I mean, you were out for like 6 hours. Where are we? Oh, this is the abandoned power plant. I thought you would recognize it. After all, I just discovered this place while I was following you. You tried to come here to catch Zapdos, the legendary bird of thunder, but it escaped. I remember you were really disappointed when that happened. Yes, I know it was 4 months ago. For how long have I been following you? Well, you don't remember our first battle, do you? It was on Route 3. You were going from Pewter City to the Mount Moon, and I was going in the opposite direction. When I saw you, well, my face got all red. I just thought you were so handsome and cool. I tried to just go and talk to you, but I panicked, and I tried to say something cool, and I ended up saying, "Hey, that look you gave me is so intriguing." I was so embarrassed after I said that, like for real. It has to be one of the top 5 most embarrassing lines I have ever said. You looked at me and said nothing. Absolutely silence. I couldn't stop thinking, oh no, he thinks I'm weird. Oh no, he thinks I'm weird. Over and over again. Then I saw you have some purples on your belt, and I thought, this is it. I will battle him so he forgets about the lame thing I said, and after that I will accompany him to the Pokemon Center and we can talk while we walk there. And then you defeated my Rattata and Nidoran with just one Pokemon and walked away casually. Oh my god, you remember me? Yes, my name is Sally. I can't believe you remember me. Oh yes, it was exactly 1 year ago. Yes, I have been following you in secret for a whole year. Oh my god, that sounded creepy. A stalker? No, I'm not a stalker. Well, I guess technically I am a stalker, but shut up. It's offensive to say such harsh words to a cute girl like me. Why did I never talk to you? Well, after our battle, I went to the Pokemon Center and I was returned to try to talk to you again. The kids on the road told me you were already inside of the cave system on Mount Moon and that there were some Team Rocket members doing their dirty business, so I got too scared to get inside. Also, I thought that when you saw them, you would get out of there immediately, so I just waited near the entrance. After a couple of hours, the Team Rocket members were running away from the caves, ranting about a kid beating them. I knew it was you, so I tried to follow you, but it was really hard to do it with all the Zubards and Geodudes. And when I finally arrived at Cerulean City and asked about you in the Pokemon Center, they told me you were already heading to the next gym. After hearing about how strong you were and how you confronted those villains, I started to admire you. And well, without even realizing it, I followed you to the next city. When I finally caught up to you, I realized that if I told you that I have followed you for more than a week, and God knows how many miles through dense forest and mountains, you would think I'm crazy and obsessed with you or something like that. Which is true, but I didn't want you to know. So I decided I will try to get some gym badges. That way I could eventually go to talk with you and tell you that the reason I have traveled all the region following your steps was to challenge the gyms and not because I was stalking you. But I wasn't strong enough to defeat the gyms. So I went for a while to train on my own and it was all going very smoothly until I saw in the news a kid single-handedly defeated the leader of Team Rocket and managed to get the 8 gym badges at the same time, which meant that you already completed your journey. So my excuse of I'm in this city to challenge the gym just as you was useless. And also that a lot of fangirls of the guy that defeated the Team Rocket boss will appear. So I started planning how to get you. First, train order my team, then challenge you to a battle, then defeat you, then kidnap you, bring you to the least visited place of the region where no one will find us, and keep you here till you develop Stockholm Syndrome and fall in love with me. Perfect, isn't it? What? I should have just asked you out. But what if you say no or think I'm creep? You think I'm beautiful? And the fact that I did all of this just for you makes your heart melt? Really? Oh, well, thank you. But how do I know you are not lying? Why would you lie? Well, so I untie you and you can escape. Why would you escape? Well, because you probably think I'm crazy and dangerous. You promise you will not escape. Because if you do, You will break my heart. Okay, I guess I can let you out of those ropes. But if you dare to escape, I will bring you back here and break your legs so you can never run away from me ever again. Okay, there you are. No, hug me and tell me that you love me. Do it! Oh my god, this is so cute and romantic. I love you. Hey guys, thank you for listening. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also check out my other videos on your screen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It will encourage me to create more content. As always, be strong, be kind, and love yourself. Also, believe in yourself. And I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.